With the Artisan food processor, you can make this aubergine and chickpea caponata with herb ricotta crostini. How do you go about it? Cut 2 aubergines into 4 equal pieces. Set the food processor to speed 1 and dice the 2 aubergines with the 8mm dicing kit. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan and cook the aubergines until tender. Drain a 400-gram tin of chickpeas, then rinse the chickpeas under cold running water. Finely chop 2 green celery stalks and 2 mint sprigs. Mix the chickpeas and celery with 2 tablespoons of golden raisins. Add the cooked aubergines, season with salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of white balsamic vinegar. Place 375 grams of vine tomatoes, 1 peeled garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon-infused olive oil in the mini bowl. Season with salt and pepper and finely chop on speed 1. Add the tomato salsa to the aubergines and stir together. Leave to rest at room temperature so the flavors have time to develop. Mix together 4 tablespoons of ricotta and 2 or 3 teaspoons of fresh pesto in a small bowl. Cut 4 to 6 slices of ciabatta and toast them. Spread the ciabatta toast with the herb ricotta. Arrange the caponata on plates and serve with the crostini.